Hi everyone, hi Nick. I have another journal to share with you. This is video number 3. And actually the second time doing this one because my memory on my camera got full and yesterday I went to clear off the camera and I got all the way back to videos from January before I remembered that, oh yeah, I had 2 on the camera that I hadn't uploaded yet. Yeah, right. So this is the second time through doing this one. And the dragonfly video as well. So anyway, this is a hardcover. Measures 8 3/4 by 5.5 with a 2.5 inch spine. The cover is this kind of a grayish, I guess you call it maybe like a Williamsburg blue, I guess you could call it. It's got this Queen Anne's lace die cut raised design here and a Tim Holtz book plate where I stamped notes, and that's glossy accented, so it's permanent. On the spine is this 2 layers of lace, crocheted trim lace, I guess. And the back is just plain and just kind of distressy looking. Closure is eyelets and seam binding, and I also pinned with a garment pin and some chain a couple of the mixed media beads that I make. This is the plain blue one and a blue and white one, and they have little leaf charms on the bottom. This one is predominantly, it's silver, and this one's more like a, I wouldn't call it copper, very antique gold wire, and green wire, really fine green wire on that one. And these are just pinned on so they can come off if you don't want them. I just like the sound of them on the book, actually. This has 3 signatures. And on this one I did lace tabs, and there's a whole bunch of clips with burlap and twine and different kinds of more rusticy kind of things in here on this one. Oops, not even in the middle of the frame. In this one, let's see. So let's go inside. The printables are from Artie Mays. It is the Nature Walk kit, and I used a little bit from the Back to Nature. It's primarily the Nature Walk kit, so that's why I kept things a little more rustic, not quite so frilly. I'm gonna try to go fairly quickly here. This video will take a month. Front and back inside cover is just this Tim Holtz paper. It's the same on both sides. And let's just get at this, or this is going to take forever. Part of some of the ephemera I used as tuck spots, stitched around a lot of it. There's some Tim Holtz rub-ons, like right there. Used some extra paper to make journal cards. These are some of Artie Mays's like little hang tags, and I used eyelets and different kinds of strings and twines to embellish them with. And like I said, we have lots of clips. And this, when I use some of the Traveler's Notebook size kit, the Nature Walk kit in here, and that's part of it. This is the bookmark. It's the 2-sided bookmark. And we have Edith Holden pages, damask bag, and it's one of the envelopes from the kit, which is open. What's that on that side? So that can be used to journal, or it can be used somewhere else, sewn into a signature or something. The small pockets are from the Traveler's Notebook kit. That's from the Back to Nature kit. And I think that is too. Or it might be just some of her Nature ephemera. Can't remember. It's all Artie Mays though. Janet Marsh. Tim Holtz vellum. Did some very light stenciling. That's just some a burlap stencil. We've got, hands don't work, graph paper. This is tissue paper. Tickets from the Traveler's Notebook kit. And it's just a couple pieces of ephemera. Some of it I sewed onto, not sewed, printed on cardstock. It's a binder clip with some hemp. It's a fold out. And this is a pocket from the kit. This is a minute. It's paper clipped on there, and it's got the journaling card with it. It just goes over, if I can reach, it goes over and clips on there. Can't reach around the camera. And some more Edith Holden corner pocket from the kit. This is from the B ephemera pack, and that's from the kit. Some more spot to journal. Tickets that I made into a tuck spot. It's the center of the signature, and it's Tim Holtz paper, and in here is just some extra coffee dye paper to journal on. And since that's cardstock, I just put a paper clip to keep it closed. There's a corner flip. I layered some things on here. It's a large tag from the kit and a small envelope. Grade paper. A little bit of stenciling. Fold out. It's another piece of ephemera. This is a flip up, flip down. Some button trim and some burlap strings and a ticket. That's from the B kit. And this one here. Some more tissue paper. And some more vellum. Large pocket from the kit and a tag. Damask bag. Edith Holden. There's another journal spot. Tuck spot. Rub on. That's the first signature. A flip up and get some rub-ons here. These are Tim Holtz. This is all like vintagey lace and whatnot. And we have this large journaling spot here, and then this little one. Large pocket with a tag and mason jars. Some more Janet Marsh. This ephemera from the kit. Just a journal card that I made. There's another corner pocket from the kit with another one of these, and this is some butcher's twine. Just cut that out with decorative scissors and inked it up. Some graph paper, another paper bag with a journaling card in the bag. More Tim Holtz tissue paper. A tuck spot here. And another one of these. That's just some hemp. A fold out with an envelope from the Traveler's Notebook size kit. And it says a journal card in there. And that folds out. That's the center of the signature with another large envelope and some more extra coffee guide paper in here. And there's another one of these. Folds out. It's another journal spot there. Some more grid paper. Another flip up, flip down. And these two. Another journal spot there. Paper bag. This is extra page of that background paper from the kit. Some more stenciling. Another tuck spot. Pocket from the Traveler's Notebook kit. Lots of bugs. And vellum and another tuck spot. And some more rub-ons. And there's the third signature. I really like that bird. I love this page too. I love those blue flowers. A corner pocket with a piece from the Bee ephemera pack and a tag from the kit. And some more Janet Marsh and graph paper. And a fold out. And this pocket is from the Back to Nature kit. And some more rub-ons, and that's just a large journal card that I made. It's all Tim Holtz paper and vellum. And another flip up, flip down. And these two. There's the larger version of the bookmark. It's got the feather on the back. A damask bag with another large envelope, which is open. A tuck spot. That's Tim Holtz Butterfly. Another flip up with some layering. A large ticket. And these two. And another large envelope. This is another one of those background pages. Now there's lots and lots of places to write in this. And you can fit a lot in these envelopes as well. They're big. And sturdy. And there's the other mason jars. Another little bit of ephemera there. A pocket with another large tag. Another damask bag with another envelope. This one's sealed up. This is from the Traveler's Notebook size kit. The little tiny tickets with a journal card. Another tag from the Back to Nature kit. Little tuck spot. Some vellum and a rub-on fold out. Another tag. A little pocket with a tag in this here. And almost done, and one more rub-on, and that is it. Okay, this will be listed in the shop. If you're interested, you can pop on over there and check it out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I will be back next time with another journal. Thanks for watching. Bye.